morning, students. Welcome back to our English class, and let us continue our lesson, The Selfish Giant. So, last week I had given you an introduction about the lesson and said about the characters in the this play and what how was that giant. Okay, did you understand that he was very selfish because he did not allow the children to play in his garden? So what did he do? He built a high wall around the garden so that the children do not enter the garden. And I also told you that there was a board kept, trespassers will be punished. Okay, so already who is saying the story? Old giant is saying. Old giant is saying the story of the giant. That is, old giant is very kind, a changed character. He is saying the giant's his own story. How was he before? How was he selfish? And what changed his character? So we learned up to now that he had built a wall around the garden so that children do not enter his garden and disturb him, because he was very selfish. Today we are going to see the topic of a discussion. A group of children are discussing. I told you the characters' names are very interesting, isn't it? Tall girl, short boy, graceful girl, square, round boy, and like the square girl. These are the names of the children given in the story. So let us see how they had responded when this giant has built a wall around his garden. So you can see, tall girl complained that they had nowhere to play. Short boy gave a suggestion. What was the suggestion given by short boy? You can see there, they could play on road. They could play on the road. And but square girl and graceful girl. So that you can see there, the road is very dusty and full of hard stones. So they complained that the road is not so good for playing. The road is not so good for playing. The road is very dusty and full of hard stones. They cannot play comfortably like the garden. Then you can see that graceful girl also says that, okay, no problem, let us walk around this garden. Let us walk around this garden after the lessons are over or after the school is completed and listen to the songs of the bird. And they also remembers how happy we were when we used to play in this garden. And they came to a conclusion that the giant was very selfish. Okay, so selfishness pays, right? And hearing this conversation of these children, giant opens the door in the wall and he shouts at the children again. What was his dialogue? My garden is my own garden, and anyone can understand that I will allow nobody to play in that. He started shouting. His selfishness he showed. He did not allow the children to remain there. Now you can see the children ran away out of fear. He was very giant. Out of fear the children ran away. Okay, now all giant is continuing. What happened after the children had after he scattered or after he sent away the children, what had happened to his garden? What happened to his garden? Entire area spring came. Spring, what is the specialty of spring season? Flowers blossom, isn't it? Okay, flowers will blossom during this and birds will come to the trees, they'll sing songs. It's a happy mood. Okay, spring season is the happiest mood, happiest season where we can see these beautiful little flowers in the trees and small plants even. And what happened now? Spring came to the country. All over the country spring came. But what happened here? In our giant's garden there was no spring. Instead, what was there? Winter was there. Okay, so around this garden there was spring. In his garden there was no spring. Means what? There was no flowers, There was no birds to sing, nothing was there. Instead, what was there in the garden? Snow and frost. You know, snow picture I had shown you last week. Frost also. Snow had covered the entire garden like a white coat. Okay, ice crystals could be seen on the trees even. That was the frost. And snow and frost, and they started saying, spring has forgone to come to this garden. Now we can live happily. Who is that we there? Snow and frost. Otherwise, when spring comes, snow and frost should leave the garden. They should leave. But now, since giant was very selfish, nature himself punished him. Now what happened? Spring did not come to his garden. So who could stay back? Snow and frost could stay back. They were very happy that they did not have to leave this garden at all. Okay, now all giant is saying, okay, how was it? It was like a white cot. Snow was like white cot, and frost painted all the trees silver in color. That's a comparison made. So how is a snow compared? Snow is compared to a white cot. And how is a frost compared? It is said that giant says that as if it was the trees were painted with silver color, means it's the frost. Frost is compared to the painted silver color on the trees. Okay. And what did the snow and frost do? They invited north wind to come there. Wind, that also heavy wind. You know, breeze means a light wind that doesn't blow very violently. This north wind is very violent and blows very heavily. So what happened? North wind came very happily to this garden, and he roared all about the garden all day long. Roaring means, you know, wind, when we have cyclones and all, we know how the wind blows. It makes roaring sound, a big sound it makes. So this north wind also roared all day along the garden, blowing his chimney pot. Chimney pot means every chimney will have opening. There will be a opening for sending the smoke out, so that inside this chimney pot, and this air used to blowing, and sound would be made from this pot. And north wind, now you can see there, this is a delightful spot, wonderful spot. Okay, I am going to invite hail. Who said that? North wind. Who invited north wind there? Snow and frost. Now who is going to invite hail? Hail means, you know, already I had given you an explanation last week. Hailstones, okay, where these ice balls will be falling down. So north wind invited hail also to this garden. Now hail came very happily where the garden had no spring. There was no spring in the garden. And autumn season, there, you know, entire world is enjoying with all these seasons except the garden of Sark the giant. Now, old hail came. Now, what did the hail do? Hail, every day for 3 hours, he rattled on the roof of the castle. He came and fall on the castles. You know, castles top, there will be tiles. We have seen at the house top, we will spread tiles now. He came and rattled on the tiles and broke most of these tiles or slates. It was broken, and he ran round and round the garden as he could go. This hail also enjoyed a good time in the garden, as there was no spring, as was other seasons did not come to his garden. He was dressed up in grey. See, everywhere you can see he, she and all given. Okay, personification is there. Now hail is also considered as a person. So he was dressed up in grey, means hailstones, that is the ice crystal balls. When it falls on dried leaves, how it looks like grey color. So he was dressed up in grey means what was here, the author is giving beautiful colors for everything. You can see snow, white cot, frost painted like silver. Okay, north wind came and roared all along, made a great sound. Wind, no, it makes sound. Lion roars, we say roaring for the lions roaring. Same way wind roared here. And again you can see hailstone. He was dressed up in grey means what? His color, the color of this hailstone. How did it get the ice crystals will get the color of grey? But when it is falling on the dry leaves, it looks like grey color. And his breath was like ice. Breath was like ice means these are ice balls, right? Ice stones, balls or stones. And poor giant, every day he would look at the window and sat there very sadly, having seen this spring season not coming, no. So looking at his garden, he used to sit very sadly. What happened to this spring season? Where has it gone? And the giant says that, why is the spring is not coming to my garden? What had happened? And he hopes there will be a change in the weather later. But what happened? All giant says, the spring never came, summer never came, autumn never came. Always this winter was remaining in this garden. Winter remained in the garden. Okay, and autumn season did not want to come to this garden, saying that autumn is a season, you know that. Okay, autumn season also said that this giant was very selfish. The giant was very selfish. And he comes to the conclusion in the part 1 that there was no there was no spring, there was no summer, and there was no autumn in his garden. Only winter remained with snow, frost, north wind, and the hail. So this is the end of part 1. Next week we shall continue with part 2 and let us understand how he had changed his mind, how his selfishness had changed. Okay, who brought out the change? And how did he die? At the end of the story we will see his death also. Okay, let us see this next week. Thank you.